Ducon's custom-engineered high-efficiency cyclones have been delivering exceptional particulate collection since 1938, offering high efficiency and low pressure drop to minimize operating costs. Ducon provides high-efficiency cyclones operating at temperatures up to 2000 degrees F. These Ducon cyclone collectors feature simple, sturdy construction with no moving parts, ensuring long service life, nil downtime, and minimal maintenance while being custom designed for various gas flows and inlet loadings. Ducon's multi-cell cyclones achieve over 99% efficiency on particles 5 microns and larger by utilizing different internal tube diameters, a 9-inch tube for fine particulates under light dust loading, a 12-inch tube for high dust loading, and 6-inch tubes for enhanced efficiency with finer dust. Ducon has installed multicyclones for very large applications including coal-fired power plants. Ducon cyclones are widely applied in processes such as spray drying, furnace off-gas, calcining, or roasting, and in aggregate, minerals, and materials conveying systems, with special vane devices further boosting collection efficiency. Contact us today to learn more and request a quote. For further information, visit our website ducon.com or call us 1-631-420-4900